Hello guys, this is Venkatesh. Today I am going to unbox the smartwatch which is from a brand called Tenor. This is a Cosmos variant where they have mentioned this has inbuilt compass, active notification, steps counter, heart rate, and they are also mentioned that it will come 40 days as a standby time, 15 days, and they have given a star here. If you are able to see this, yeah, it will come for 15 days. So here they have also mentioned that it's IP68 rating, step count, heart rate, sleep monitor, etc. I'll just unbox this and I'll show you how this looks like. Yeah, here is the box which has a quick guide. It has all the setup options and how to switch on, how to put the battery, everything. What are the screens which is available. I think they have given here. This box will keep it aside. And this is the simple card, and here is the warranty card. So let's check what is there in the box here. Here is the actual watch, and there is some sticker here. I'll take it out, and there is something in the box. This is the charger cable, so we have to put it inside this. This watch has to be kept inside this, like this. I feel like little hectic this thing because I have to carry this specific case everywhere. With this cable, then only I can charge it. Also, if I lost this again, it's a problem. I have to get this. I don't know where we can get this. Yeah, now I'll give you the simple overview. This is the simple overview. This strap, it looks like some silicone strap. It looks very smooth and matte finished. Here there is a heart rate sensor. This is for charging, and here is a physical button, so I can switch it on. Yes, it is on. So whenever I want to use this, it is always on display. That is one good thing. You will always, you can always, even in the sunlight, you can, it is visible. This daytime and the details are not visible. If you want to use the watch, you can't directly interact by touching this or touching this button. You have to click this physical button here, then only it will unlock. You can show this icon will be shown as unlocked, and then only you can interact. There are more options: heart rate, sleep, and everything. This is back button. So if you want to go back from any of the screen, you can simply click this, and yeah, here there are so many options like reminder, settings, and all this. You can go. This is the campus. Yeah, this I don't set for now. Okay, and there are some more options here. This is the brightness. You can increase or decrease the brightness. That's all. So this looks good actually. Yeah, I bought this in Amazon for 999. So I feel like this is worthy for 999. Also, I don't say that this steps are very accurate like in Apple Watch or any other watch, but for this price range, this is really good, and it's done a good job, pretty good job. It is satisfied. so you can get many options like cycling and everything. Okay, that's all about this unboxing. Thank you guys.